We are in the second grade science interactive text. We will be working on pages 14 through 17 today. Lesson 3, plants grow and change. How are plants like their parents? You know that animals have babies that look and act like their parents. Plants are the same way. A sunflower makes seeds that grow into sunflowers. An oak tree makes acorns that grow into oak trees. See here, sunflower seed, oak tree, and acorn. Most young plants look like their parent plants. Their flowers, petals, and leaves will have the same shape. Some plants, like tulips, may look a little different from their parent plants. Tulips come in different colors. Quick check. What do sunflower seeds grow up to be? Go back in the text and see it grows to be a sunflower. And so I want you to answer that here. How are young plants like their parents? So go back in the text and see. Plants are the same way. They look and act like their parents. So you can give some descriptions of how they look the same and maybe they act like their parents. What is a life cycle? A life cycle shows how a living thing grows, changes, and makes new living things. The plant life cycle begins with a seed. It keeps growing as plants make new plants. Life cycle of a pine tree. So it's like a circle. Here, pine trees make seeds into cones. The cones fall to the ground and some seeds get moved to new places. 3, a seed becomes a young plant. 4, the young plant grows bigger. It grows cones that become new plants. What does a pine tree make instead of flowers? So here it says pine trees make seeds inside cones. So instead of flowers, pine trees make cones. Plants follow the same life cycle as their parent plants. Different plants have different life cycles. Some plants live for a few weeks, others live for many years. These flowers go through their life cycle in a few months. Redwood trees take more than 2 years to make cones. Quick check. The plant life cycle begins with a seed. So go back in the story and see if that's true. And plants have the same life cycle as their parent plant. So we would say if that's true or false. Remember, plants, when they have a life cycle, it would be very similar to their parent plant because it says that parent plants and baby plants look and act the same. So that might help you answer this question here.